Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Oral Wisdom. If you love what I'm doing, you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hitting the like button. So in this video I will show you 18 mobile apps, either an iOS app that work for iOS and Android apps. Even some of them have a Windows app that can earn you cash online. 18 apps that can earn you extra cash online. So our first app is this Make Money and Earn Cash Rewards. I will be linking to the videos in the description, to the links, please. I will be linking to every app that I show you in the video in the description, because most of those apps, when you search the name, you won't see it. You'll be seeing other ads and other app there. So I will link to the exact app that I'm talking about so that you don't get involved in other type of stuff. So this is the first app. So this is it is an Android app, but they also have the iOS, I think. So I'll link to the app in the description. So if I don't link to the iOS, know that it is only for Android. So this is the first app. You can earn when they show ads on your lock screen. You earn when you watch videos. You earn when you answer Subway. You earn when you refer friends. It's a cool app, and it pays with a gift card or Amazon gift card or Walmart space. So it's a cool app that I've also tested, but it takes time to earn, but it's not a get rich quick stuff. That's why I told you it's an extra cash app. So I'm just showing you the ones that I've reviewed and the ones that are authentic. So this first one, as you can see, someone is saying that it's a decent app that keep as lock screen just to earn some extra points. So you earn points that you redeem to cash or gift card. I just use it for Amazon gift card mostly, but I've been using it for a few years and I haven't had too many issues that weren't immediately fixed. So it's a good app. I also agree because I've also used it. It's a great app. It just takes time to earn. It's not a get rich quick stuff. Thank you. So we will be reviewing our second app is Junkie. Subway Junkie is the second app on this list. So Subway Junkie is an app that earns you money when you take Subway and do similar tasks like the other one, like the first one. So you earn points, the same rules. You earn points for answering question, all those tasks, watching videos and so on and so forth. That's what you earn points for, that you can redeem those points for Amazon gift card or PayPal cash. This is what it's all about. But I can see some reviews here, but this Subway Junkie has been around for long and it pays. Subway Junkie pays because I've also used it once and I earned $5 or something like that. Yes, it pays, but all this app, as I've said before, it takes time. So please understand. Takes a lot of time. You can cash out your money from $0.50 to $3. So that's why you can cash out. But you take time to get to 0.50. You can get to $0.50 in just a day by just answering. So depending on your location and depending on the fastness of your device, so you can get to even $1 to $2 a day with the Subway Junkie answering question and all this stuff. It's a great app and legit. Those from the United States, Canada and Australia will be earning most of the money. So other countries, I don't know why, but the market research, it's because the market research is not that focused in your country. That's why you don't earn much like that. So if you join Subway Junkie from your own country and you see that it's not available, you can go for another. So, yes, our third app on the list is Make Money, Play and Earn Cash. This is an app that pays you for playing games. It has been working well for a while, and it's a great app that you can earn money with. So you try your best. You look at it. If it's worth your time, go for it. If it doesn't worth your time, you go for another. That's it. So let's go to our fourth app. So here is our fourth app. It is called the Current app. Yes, our fourth app is the Current app. One thing I love about the Current app is that you earn money passively. You earn money playing music. You earn money listening to the radio station of your own choice. So I love it because my phone doesn't have a radio. I use it every time. It's a Wi-Fi connection. You can earn bitcoins, you can earn whatever. There are many payment methods, PayPal and so on. So it's a great app to earn. As you can see, they have a application in the App Store. They also have the Play Store or a Android app. Yes, Android app. So it's a great app and they pay just time, but if you are continuing to play, you can earn with it. The app has a lot of ways you can earn with multiple ways on the app. You can watch ads, you can watch video ads, you can do a lot of stuff with the app. So it's a great app that I also love because it doesn't stress me. The fifth app, yes, the fifth app is Earn Money Tap Cent. This Tap Cent is around for a while and it is paying people too. They have two games. So when you play the game, you gather points. You exchange that point for PayPal money. But what I don't like about it is that their minimum payment is I think $25 US. So it will take time to get to $25 US. I would like it if it is $5. I also said that in another video that I prefer a very low budget. Threshold fast. So they pay through PayPal, Cash App, a prepaid Visa card, Amazon gift card, and so on. It's a good app, but the payment threshold is too high. That's why I don't like it. But if you love playing games, you can earn your money fast. So it's a good app. The sixth app is Toloka. Toloka has been around for years. It is an app that pays you for completing few tasks. So it's a great app and it pays. It's a wonderful app. As you can see, you can exchange your money, get your money on PayPal, Payoneer, Papara, Kiwi, and so on. It's a very good app. This Toloka is a good app to make money. There are many tasks, tons of tasks on it that some of them can even earn you up to and over $5 a day. So it's a great app. Use it. It's good, and it is worldwide also. Our next app now. So our next app is Loot Up, paid Subway and cash. I won't talk too much. This Loot app, I like it, but I don't know what's happening. There are no more pay, but I think they will come back to it. If you have an account with them, you can keep it active. But most of the site, when the earning threshold is too much, I don't like them, because I don't know when I can't be working for 3 months, 1 year before I get my earning. So that's it. This is the Loot app. I'll link to it. I'm not really interested in that app, but it works. The PON app is also the same. You earn money for doing a lot of stuff on it. It's a fair app, as you can see. It's a fair app with many tasks like others, so I won't be talking about many things anymore. Just you can earn your money by doing whatever you see, playing games, doing a lot. So they also have a lot of they have gift card and so on. So it's a great app. And with that, let's move to the next. Our next app is the Reward D. Reward D. This one too is also a Subway app like others. You do the same task. Most of you that are watching, it's important to have many, to work in many sites, because most of the tasks we take tasks will take less than an hour, 5 minutes. So you just take 5 minutes Subway per day on each app. All the app like that, you can earn up to $100 a month. That's it. Just not focus on only one app. So I'll link to the Rewardy also. My next app is this Premise, and it is my favorite. But what I don't like about it is that the same subways are not available worldwide. So most of those subways are available to their targeted country or the countries they are doing market research on. But I've earned my first $2 in bitcoins with this same Premise. It works, and it's a great app because I used it. I received my money. Someone said he downloaded this app almost 2 years ago, and I was enjoying up to now. I've been trying to cash out my people from. In most apps, every app with its problem. So you try yours, and if you see an app that is not scam, you will know, because they don't promise to win a 1 million to just click add and earn $5 on all those things. You'll be seeing your earnings at once. This app is so legit that I have used before. They have some tasks inside it that can pay you $2. Some photo taking tasks, depending on your country. I tell you that your subway will depend on your country, and that is it. So this app is great. I have a very good personal experience with it. So let's go to the next app. It is Ibotta. Ibotta is also a subway app too, like others. Also a subway app like others. But this app, I think it will work better for people that are in the Europe and America side. I don't think they have. I don't think it works well. Even if you work in some countries, I don't think it works well that way. So this Ibotta, you can also save money with it, get cash back with it. So get $10 when you spend $30. So you can just save money by using the Ibotta app. There are a lot of stuff to do with it. So I think it can also be good for people in Nigeria, maybe. But it's a great app that you can use to get cash back. That is cool. It's not a scam. it's not an app that you waste your time on. So you just, when you are a favorite, when you love shopping online, you can use Ibotta to get cash back, which is our next app is the Dosh app. This Dosh is also a cashback app. So when you get a cashback, as you can see, accumulate $15, then transfer your bank to your bank, PayPal or Venmo, or donate your cashback to charity. This is a cashback app that you can earn money when you buy something from their sponsors. So they have iOS, they have Android. It's a good app that you can use to earn some extra cash, doing cash back, earning cash back on what you buy. Our next app is YouGov. YouGov. The same rules apply. Answer daily questions. It's also a Subway site. You can just sign up and do whatever task at the end point that you can redeem and use to get rewards, and that's all it is. Our next app is Swagbucks. This Swagbucks, as everyone knows it before, it is a great app and it has been around for long. It's also a Subway site that can earn you even up to $2 a day, and you can you can use it as a cashback app. They have a lot of things that you can do there to earn. Searching the web, from searching the web to answering surveys to a lot. So that's it. I won't talk about this too much. We'll shift to the next app. This Acorns is also cool. You can try it. It's a good app for cashback also. Cashback and investing. So it's an investing app that you can just put money, invest in it, and earn when you shop. So it's a good app to keep some cash back. This app is legit. They have some Chrome extension, I think. The legit app, and because it has been around for long, so good app to earn extra cash. Our last app will be the Google Opinion Rewards. This Google Opinion Rewards, I don't think it's available worldwide, but it's available in some countries too. And this app pays well. It pays well for some ways. So if your country, you can try to check it out. If it is available in your country, you can use it to earn a lot, because there are some good questions there that you can just take. Questions about your location and your site and everything like that. So it's great apps, as you can see. It pays well. You can use the money in Play Store and so on. Very great app. As you can see, the reviews. Some people will give bad reviews. That's how it is. So, but it's a great app according to me, because I use it, but I didn't earn a lot. Just $5. I didn't earn a lot because the app they have many questions, so I don't think I have time. That's why I don't use it. But if you like it, you can go for it. It is called the Google Opinion Rewards. So this is how I finish with the apps that you can use to earn extra cash online. So what do you think? Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the like button. Bye.